Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 10th question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx given that y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x squared. So first we are going to put x is equal to tan theta. So first let's make the changes to y. So y is going to be equal to tan inverse of 3 into tan theta, because x is changed as tan theta, minus tan cube theta, the whole thing divided by 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. Now you know that 3 tan x minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan squared theta is going to be equal to tan 3 theta. So I can reorganize y as tan inverse of tan 3 theta. So this means in the next step I can simply say y is equal to 3 theta. Now let's find what is the value of theta. See, x is equal to tan theta means theta is going to be equal to tan inverse of x. So y is actually equal to 3 into tan inverse of x. Now we need what is dy by dx. So we are going to differentiate this particular expression. So dy by dx is going to be equal to, either way 3 is a constant, so we are taking it outside the differentiation. So this is 3 into differentiation of tan inverse of x. So differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. So the final answer for this particular differentiation is 3 divided by 1 plus x squared. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 11th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.